This is a requested video to show how this particular box fan works for Cameron. He's never seen one of these variable speed fans work before. Hopefully my birds will be quiet this time. This is about the fourth time I've tried to take this video. This is a 1960 or 1961 General Electric portable box fan window fan. It was the top of the line model. In the catalog, it was called an automatic custom filter fan. It's still in great condition. The paint on it is spruce blue. It still has the original cord and the original plug. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger than a normal General Electric fan of the era due to the instrumentation panel on it. It's about 4 inches wider and a lot heavier. But the reason it was called a filter fan was you could buy these clip-on type filters that fit in these little holes right here, and it would fit across the back of the fan and help filter out dust and pollen. The filters were not easily or readily available, and they were quite expensive, and then they quit making them after a while. I'm not real sure what the original price of this fan was, probably around $70, which would be somewhere close to nearly $300 these days. They were definitely a major appliance purchase. The novelty of them was all of the added features that they have. You have an automatic timer that you can set for up to 11 hours, and the fan will automatically shut off when it's over. It works just fine. There's also a pilot light to tell you that the fan is on even if the thermostat has shut the motor off. What's unique is it has a variable speed control instead of a standard 3-speed. And, of course, it's electrically reversible with the flip of a switch. You can reverse the power to the motor to do intake or exhaust, and it has a thermostat. The speed control is actually a large wire-wound resistor in behind the instrumentation panel, and as you move it up and down the resistor, the knob up and down the resistor, it tells how much power to send to the motor itself. And we'll start it off on low. And like all GE box fans, they are slow to start up. But this particular fan, low is really low. And the buzzing that you'll hear is that back metal grill. I've yet to be able to get it to stop buzzing. That's low. You can see the pilot light's on. Now we'll give it full throttle. Now it has a really long spin down. Now we can set it to exhaust. And there you are. That's the GEW15.